Today we're going to show you the twin pack first and second fix DeWalt nail guns.
Yeah, but we do a wide range of nail guns anyhow. What brands do we stock, Martin?
We have DeWalt, as I said, Milwaukee, Makita, Paslode, Tackwise, and a patch.
Yeah, you got them all right there, fair play to you. And we also stock the nails, like stainless steel nails for angle guns or 16 gauge, it depends, like, so, like if it's a 20 or 23 gauge nailer, like we have nails for them like as well. So any nail guns that we stock, we have the nails for them. So right, let's have a look inside the box, so Martin, and get a look at the new offering from DeWalt, so which is their new first fix gun, so the DCN 930. So there's a few new features on that, but it also comes in the box with the old
reliable DCN
one,
660, 16 gauge angled second fix.
Yeah.
Don't need to say anything about that, everyone knows about that. They're the panel pins that come with that. They range from 32mm up to 64mm in the standard, and then 50mm in the stainless